Hello chaps, welcome back to another Tino Detailing video. Today, we're going to see how much snow foam this car can take. Not only that, we've got 4 different coloured snow foams. Check them out. Yellow, green, purple, blue. We're going to turn this car into a rainbow. Let's do it. First up, we've got blue snow foam. Let's connect it. Alright, let's test it out, boys. So as you can see, the bolt doesn't fit properly, so I'm gonna have to hold it. Let's get started. Next up, we have yellow snow foam. Let's connect this bad boy. Oh my god, this is a work of art, guys. Next up, green snow foam. Finally lads, we're doing a purple snow foam. Yeah, you see it's coming out from here. But once the show must go on. Look at that, the snow foam gun couldn't handle it and it broke. The show must go on. Guys, subscribe if you're liking this. that rainbow. Let's take it off with our pressure washer now. It's gonna look insane. Guys, that was awesome. Be sure to like this video. Now guys, I need to move the car out of the way so I can clean this mess. Just look at that. Amazing. Guys, do you think we're going to be able to take this off? Stay tuned and we're going to find out. So as you can see guys, it's not going in. So we've devised a plan. I'm going to put a hose pipe from here, go all the way to here. So the whole time it's going to be pushing the snow foam in. And hopefully that should work. So chaps, this video idea came to me from Rory B. Any ideas that you have or any questions and thoughts, comment them below as I respond to all comments. Unfortunately, the camera ran out of battery. But here are your results. As you can see, me and my brother managed to take it all out. Also, the Golf is looking pretty fresh too. Anyways chaps, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. And here are 2 more videos I think you would like.